In today's video, I'll teach you how to use the Target app for mobile shopping. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Target application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Target application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to do the mobile shopping, what you have to do is simply find the item that you would like to purchase. In the shop interface only, you'll be able to find various categories. Also at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for categories. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see more categories over here. Likewise, if you have added the items to wish list and basket, you'll be able to see those items in wish list and basket interface too. So if you want to shop the particular item, what you have to do is simply find the item that you would like to purchase. Here I'm just going to search for it. For that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to search for the item. You'll also be able to see the popular products over here. You can also do the image search and you can also scan the barcode if you want. Now what you have to do is simply type in the product name or brand name that you would like to shop. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results. Simply tap on the item that you would like to purchase. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the item details in this particular interface. You can also see the photos and images if you want. Over here, you can also see the price. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more details over here. So if you want to buy it, simply tap on this option, add to basket, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular item will be added to the basket. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for basket. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your basket interface. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the basket over here. Over here, you can also see the order summary. Right over here, you can also specify the quantity if you want. Simply select the items that you would like to purchase. Now over here, you can also see the estimated delivery and total. Now what you have to do is continue to check out. For that, tap on this option, continue to check out, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface of Target app. Over here, you'll have to select the delivery options. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now that particular delivery option will be selected. Now what you have to do is simply enter your contact details over here. Enter your first name, last name, contact number and email. Now over here, what you have to do is enter the delivery address. So simply provide the delivery address over here. Now after you enter the delivery address, tap on this option, save and continue, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter the payment details. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like gift card, credit card, PayPal, etc. Simply tap on the payment method of your choice. If you tap on the option credit card, you'll have to enter the card details over here. Simply provide your cardholder's name. Now enter the credit or debit card number over here. Likewise, enter the expiry date. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. After you do that, enter the CVV. Now after you enter the card details, tap on this option, pay now, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular card will be used in order to pay for your order. Simply wait for the transaction to be completed. After your transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your order. So like this, you'll be able to do the mobile shopping. So that is how you use the Target app for mobile shopping. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.